Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Down here in the basement, I'm going to start working on putting the treadles on the grinder. And I got a couple other projects to finish, but right now we're going to work on the treadle. Big thing I need to do is disassemble this base a little bit. The pivot point for the treadle axle is 3 inches up from the floor. So we go 3 inches here. And 3 inches. Now the hole is going to be in the side. It's just easier to mark on the front and go from there. So to be able to drill these, I need to take off this whole structure from the frame. To make that a little easier, I brought along an impact and a socket. Okay, make it a little difficult. There we go. Just gotta get it going in the right direction. Well, I'm gaining on the big treadle grinder. I've got the legs marked, and I'll have to go out in the garage and drill the legs and then drill that treadle bar. Then I've got to make up the 3/8 axle for the front and then come down and reassemble the thing. But this is all for today because I got other things to do. Time's a little tight here. Thanks for putting up with the short, choppy videos, and we'll see if we can stretch some out a little bit more. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.